In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite on Xbox with two controllers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can use an extra controller that you have, how to connect it to your Xbox console, and play Fortnite split screen. So you will be able to do split screen or couch co-op with two controllers, where you and a friend can share the same screen on the same console as long as you have an additional controller connected. So to set up an additional controller for Fortnite, start by connecting it. You will be able to connect it to any Xbox console. This is going to work for old gen or new gen. So if you have an Xbox Series S or X, or if you have an old gen Xbox One, just choose whichever option you prefer. Now all that you have to do is establish a wired connection. So plug your controller into the console, usually with a wired USB cable, or alternatively you can establish a wireless connection. As long as you connect your controller by either pressing the wireless mode button or by using a wired connection, you will be able to get this done. With the controller properly connected to your Xbox console, all that you have to do now is go inside of Fortnite itself. When you go over to a lobby and you look at the bottom right corner of the screen, you will be able to log in as player 2 with the secondary controller. In this example here, I have a screenshot with PlayStation buttons. I apologize, but all that you have to do is look at the bottom right and determine which button you need to press. And as long as you press that respective button on the additional controller that you connected for player 2, you will be able to get this done. If you get a pop-up asking you to assign a user account, this is very important. Either assign a guest account just so they can use it periodically, or create a new Xbox account for that additional controller. This is a very important step that many people skip. And as long as you go into a game mode, such as the standard Battle Royale, where you can do split screen, you will be able to start the match and you will be good to go. Once you see them on the lobby, split screen will start automatically when you get inside of a match. Keep in mind that some modes like Lego Fortnite do not have split screen, but the standard ones will work with no problem at all. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on Xbox with two controllers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.